A lot of people don't realize even now where we came from and the chaos and the real desire to make sure people had a place to go when they were losing their jobs.
We come into obstacles and barriers and we just keep going. Everything is based in our mission, supporting mental health practitioners so that they can support their clients is everything to us. It's funny because I kind of view Health Affiliates Maine as my fourth child. My daughter was 1 when there was a crisis. I felt like I needed to save private practices of hundreds of affiliates, services for thousands of clients, jobs for 40 case managers, and jobs for 20 employees.
When I think of that time, I remember just pure adrenaline rushing through me and vacillating between extremely excited and extremely anxious and wanting to throw up.
Licensing, I called them on Monday. I was up in Augusta on Wednesday. They granted me a license on Wednesday. And then it was another couple of months of fighting for a contract.
We were trying to build a place for them to continue their livelihood as quickly as possible. That contained a lot of pressure and a lot of excitement because they were willing to put their trust in Andrea and myself and the other great women that we were working with in order to accomplish that for them.
I was skeptical. I didn't know whether or not this thing would fly, but I didn't really have a lot of other choices as a clinician. And it was a little unsettling. They were in a fire hall. I joined HAM mainly because of Andrea and the women that started HAM with her. Took a chance, and it really was a great chance.
In today's news headlines, the United States now leads the world in confirmed cases of coronavirus infections as states issued safer at-home orders.
So we were all so excited about 2020. I remember in 2019 when we had the consortium. We spent that whole consortium talking about next year's consortium. 2020 was going to be our 10th anniversary celebration and how wonderful and awesome and exciting it was going to be.
I remember getting the message that the state was getting shut down and Andrea pulling leadership into her office and saying, we gotta go. 2020 reminded me a lot of when we started, and the reason it reminded me of that is because we had to attend to providers' feelings and concerns. We actually ended up doing quite well through 2020. We were very lucky. Unfortunately, mental health services also grew substantially, and so our mission only became stronger in that we need to get more providers feeling like they are secure and healthy so that they can go do this work.
We decided at that time that we were going to have to cancel our consortium, which was very disappointing to all of us. So we ended up having what we called a party in the parking lot as our HAM 10th anniversary celebration with our employees. It was a secret for everyone. The only people that knew about it were Nina and I and Warp and Wex, who helped support us through that. And we had staff come that morning and they drove through our parking lot, and we had a DJ here playing music, and they were also shocked and surprised. There were so many people that drove by. Nina and I at the end toasted everyone with a glass of sparkling cider saying happy anniversary, and people were so emotional, so grateful. It was just such a wonderful day. Even though it wasn't what we thought it was going to be, in some ways it was even better than what we could have ever planned for that.
I'm just so very proud of where we came from. I mean, from me meeting with people in my pajamas in a parking lot to this amazing agency that is supporting over 5,000 Mainers with mental health issues, with over 500 providers out there doing such hard and good work, over 50 plus employees who are here every day making sure that that work can be done.
I really want HAM to be true and genuine to itself.
What I want for HAM is continued success, continued growth. I hope someone will be always on the lookout for the next important thing that we address as an agency.
That our conversations will always exist for how can we help the most people in the best way possible. And if we do that and we continue to do that, then I see us having a 25th anniversary video.
We are who we are because of who works with us and who works for us. And we couldn't be who we are without them.
HAM is a better agency because of all of you, and I know that the leadership certainly knows that, and we're certainly appreciative of everything that you do and what you've meant to HAM.
Appreciation doesn't even cover how I feel about our employees, our case managers, our outpatient affiliates, and our psychiatric affiliates. We are here because of you, and we appreciate and value you and everything that you have contributed to make HAM who we are today.